Hey guys, Miss94. Today I got a blaster box of 2017 Panini Chronicles. Now, if I was a baseball card set, I'd be Panini Chronicles, because this stuff is really ugly. Now, what this is, it's kind of like a baseball version of Rookie Anthology. There's a mixture of sets in here. But, you know, Chronicles is like the main theme to it. So there's also Prism, Gold Standard, and Absolute baseball cards in here. So yeah, but I'm the Chronicles aspect of it. So if you've never seen this stuff, these might be these are the worst looking baseball cards I've ever seen, minus like the Prism, Gold Standard, and Absolute cards. But these are terrible looking cards. This will surely be the only time I ever open this stuff. So the box, actually, I like how the box and packs look. Like, the packs and box are really nice. But everything else is just absolutely awful. So, let's get into this. Do not buy this stuff. It's bad. Let's get right into it. So, here is the base card. Pretty bad. At least in my opinion, these are absolutely terrible. There's more focus on the words than there are on the actual player. Really stupid. So if you see here, it tells like a little story, and story continued on back, right? And there's like all of this just random stuff here. I don't know. Some people may like this. I definitely do not. So D. Gordon, Josh Harrison, Max Scherzer, Trey Turner, and a Lewis Brinson Donruss rated rookie. Giancarlo Stanton, Chris Archer, Yangeris Solarte, Bryce Harper, and an Ian Happ Absolute rookie blue. These are one per blaster box. Scott Schebler, Joey Votto, Matt Carpenter. We got a rookie of Jorge Bonifacio, 329 out of 399. At the bottom there. And an Ian Happ rated rookie, another Ian Happ card. Now to the last pack. Ricky Henderson, Lorenzo Cain, Hunter Pence. We have something backwards in here. First, oh, that's cool. We have a Mike Trout Prism. We have a backwards card. Let's see what it is. It is a Contenders. Oh, it's actually cool. A Derek Fisher Contenders playoff ticket, 98 out of 99 autograph rookie. It's actually kind of cool. Nothing great. At least we got an autograph out of there. So, now that you've seen this stuff, don't buy it. Listen to my advice. This stuff, yeah, definitely not worth $30, especially for getting super ugly cards like that. But I can mean this kind of nice, but that's not a $30 card, I don't think. But that is it. That's it for this junk that is called Chronicles. Thank you for watching. Don't buy this stuff. Bye.